Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access App Clone. Following that, just click on the grey sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my apps, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!